How to show or hide emojis in symbols, keyboard, or for Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Gboard. Scroll down and click on emojis, stickers and GIFs. After click on emojis, stickers and GIFs, scroll down and click on, you will see emojis in sample keyboard. If you want to show emojis in symbols keyboard, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see emojis in samples keyboard is show. If you want to hide emojis in samples keyboard, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see emojis in symbols keyboard is hide. So you will hide and show emojis in sample keyboard from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can show or hide emojis in samples keyboard or Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.